unexpected events in life disrupted your moments of joy? Don't worry. Here comes PowerMax 6000 to help. Once blackouts occur, PowerMax 6000 backs up your home grid within 5 milliseconds, which is 50% faster than its counterparts. Support power supply for 99% of essential appliances, making it convenient and flexible for charging at home or in outdoor scenarios. With a 6000-volt rated pure sine wave AC inverter, PowerMax 6000 allows you to easily use power tools any way you need. It can even withstand prolonged exposure under extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius and still functions well. Besides, its fire-retardant casing effectively reduces the risk of fires. With a loud built-in low battery beeping alarm, it provides timely alerts, securing life in life-saving moments, and eliminating the inconvenience caused by power outages. Available with optional PM100 or PM200 solar panels. It enables cost-free recharging through renewable solar, wind, and water power, as well as multiple fast recharging via AC or DC outlets, a diesel generator, and an EV charging station. Meeting users' needs for more mileage, PowerMax 6000 supports charging for top-level electric vehicles. As one more battery pack extends the electric vehicle range by a further 21.6 kilometers. It can achieve a maximum range of up to 345.6 kilometers in total. It can supply power for electric vehicles at speeds of around 30 kilometers per hour. It provides power for various recreational vehicles, meeting diverse outdoor charging requirements. Engineered with ruggedness for the first time, PowerMax 6000 deals with charging in various scenarios with ease. Designed with smooth wheels and telescopic handles, PowerMax 6000 can be carried around with you anywhere like a trolley case. Additionally, there are tailor-made carts designed for enhanced portability in navigating complex terrains. 14 versatile output outlets empower off-grid living, supporting almost all electronics, appliances, and tools. PowerMax 6000 facilitates communication through signal lights, employing Morse code to blink numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to Z. PowerMax 6000 supports remote control via a smart app, enabling you to monitor and control it anytime, anywhere, all at your fingertips. PowerMax 6000 is built to be a rock-solid rugged power solution for both home and outdoors. Wherever you take it with you, it provides peace of mind and reliability with ruggedness and durability.